Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 12, Lesson 72, and we're returning to quotation marks. You already know they can wrap around someone's exact words. Today, they pick up a second, very handy job, marking the titles of short works. By the end, you'll know exactly which titles get quotation marks and why. Let's get started. Here's the big idea that makes everything simple. Titles come in two sizes. A short work is a small piece that lives inside a bigger whole, and it wears quotation marks. A long work is the whole thing by itself, and it gets italics instead. Notice that quotation marks have a second job today. We'll spend this whole lesson on the short works half, and we'll save the long works for next time. So which titles take quotation marks? Think about the small pieces of writing, the ones that fit inside something larger. A short story, a poem, and a song all take quotation marks. So does an essay, and so does a magazine or newspaper article. A single chapter pulled from a book takes them, and so does one TV episode from a whole series. Do you see the pattern? Each of these is only a part of a bigger whole. Let's do one slowly. Say you're writing about the song Fireflies. Because a song is a short work, its title needs quotation marks. So you place one mark right before the title and one right after. The quotation marks hug the title on both sides, and now any reader can see at a glance that Fireflies is the name of a song. The very same rule covers all the short works. A poem called Rain on Tin takes quotation marks. A short story called The Last Key takes them too. And a single chapter titled Getting Started takes them as well. Notice that it never matters what the title says or how long it is. If the work itself is short, a piece of something bigger, you wrap its title in quotation marks. Here's a comparison that locks it in. Imagine a song called Golden Hour. A song is one small piece, so its title gets quotation marks. But that song lives on an album, and let's say the album is called Skyline Sessions. The album is the whole collection, the big container, so its title is set in italics instead, which we show here with an underline. Same music, but the part gets quotation marks and the whole gets italics. We'll dive into that italics half in the next lesson. Let's practice choosing the right format. Suppose you have the title of a short story. Should it go in quotation marks or in italics? Putting a short story in quotation marks is correct, and it earns a check mark. Putting that same short story in italics is wrong, because italics are saved for long works, so it gets an X. Remember the rule. Whenever the title names a part of something bigger, you choose quotation marks. Let's boil it all down to a quick check you can run on any title. First, ask, is the title a short work? Second, ask whether it's a piece that lives inside something bigger. Third, if the answer is yes, you wrap it in quotation marks. And if instead the title names the whole work, then it waits for italics, which is our next lesson. Ready to practice a few together? In this first set, decide how each title should be marked. Ask yourself the key question. Is the work a short piece of something bigger, or is it the whole thing? Pause the video and try each one on your own before I reveal the answer. A poem titled Winter Light. A poem is a short work, a small piece of writing, so its title takes quotation marks, not italics. So the answer is quotation marks. A TV episode titled The Warning. A single episode is just one part of a whole series, so it counts as a short work. That means its title takes quotation marks. So the answer is quotation marks. The whole magazine. National Weekly. Careful here. A single article inside a magazine would be a short work, but the entire magazine is the whole container. A whole work like that takes italics, not quotation marks. So the answer is italics. Now, in each question, pick the title that should be wrapped in quotation marks. Look for the short work, the small piece that lives inside something larger. Pause and try each before I answer. Which of these takes quotation marks? A song, a novel, or a movie? A song is a short work, one small piece, so it takes quotation marks. A novel and a movie are each a whole work, so they would take italics instead. So the answer is a song. Which of these takes quotation marks? A whole album, a single poem, or a full-length film? The album and the film are both whole works, so they take italics. The single poem is the short piece here, so it takes quotation marks. So the answer is a single poem. Which of these takes quotation marks? A magazine, one magazine article, or a book? A magazine and a book are each a whole work, so they take italics. But one magazine article is a small piece printed inside the magazine, so it takes quotation marks. So the answer is one magazine article. Let's gather up what we learned. You put quotation marks around the title of a short work, a small piece that lives inside a bigger whole. That includes short stories, poems, songs, essays, magazine and newspaper articles, single chapters, and TV episodes. And when the title names the whole work instead, a book, an album, or a movie, it takes italics rather than quotation marks. And that is exactly where we're headed next. Wonderful work today. I'll see you in the next lesson.